Most people spend their entire lives working for money, but some people discover a powerful secret. They learn how to make money work for them. That's the difference between simply earning an income and building wealth. Tonight, we're going to explore one of the most important financial lessons you can ever learn: how to put your money to work so that over time, it can help create opportunities, security, and freedom for your future. So stay with us as we uncover how ordinary people can use patience, knowledge, and investing to make their money work for them. Let me ask everyone a question. If I gave each of you $100 right now, what would you do with it?
I would buy the newest video game. I would buy clothes and shoes. I would save it and spend it and when I need money to buy something.
Yes, interesting. But what if I told you there was a fourth option that could turn that same $100 into much more money?
How much more?
Maybe hundreds,
Seriously?
possibly thousands.
Wait, without working for it?
That is exactly why we are having this conversation. Tonight, we are talking about investing, the skill that helps money grow even when you are sleeping.
It is not magic. It is mathematics, patience, and time.
That sounds like magic.
Imagine two children receive $100 each. One spends it immediately, the other plants it like a seed. How do you plant money?
By investing it, think about a fruit tree. You plant a tiny seed. For a long time, nothing exciting seemed to happen. Then one day, it begins producing fruit.
Many people quit during the waiting period. They want fruit immediately. But successful investors understand something important.
What is that?
The seed always looks small before the tree becomes big. Many people give up because results do not happen immediately.
So what exactly happens when you invest?
Let's pretend our family opens a pizza shop. We need money to buy ovens, ingredients, and equipment. So we ask people to contribute money in exchange for ownership.
Ownership?
Imagine the pizza shop is cut into 1,000 tiny pieces. If you own 10 pieces, you own part of the business.
Is that what is mostly referred to as share? Meaning, if the pizza shop becomes successful, my part becomes more valuable.
Exactly. That is investing. You become an owner or a shareholder.
Does it mean a shareholder is an owner of a small portion of a big organization?
Indeed, investors are not just giving money away.
Yes, shareholders are investors who buy ownership.
Oh, to viewers. Would you like to remain a customer or become an owner of a business? Leave your answer in the comments section.
If investing is so great, why doesn't everyone become rich?
That may be one of the most important money questions anyone can ask. The surprising answer is this: investing is usually not the hardest part. Controlling emotions is a lot more than most people realize. Imagine you invest $100 today. Then a few months later, the value drops to $80. How would you feel?
I might want my money back.
I would be worried.
And that's exactly what happens to many adults. They become afraid. They see the value going down and think they are losing everything.
So, they sell their ownership?
Many do. And often they sell at the worst possible time.
Why would that be the worst time?
Because when fear takes over, people stop thinking clearly. They focus on today's problem and forget their long-term goal.
Imagine planting a mango tree. After 1 month, you do not see any fruit. Would you dig it up and throw it away?
No, it has not had enough time.
Exactly. But many investors do something very similar. They expect immediate results. When they do not get them, they quit.
Does it mean patience is more important than being smart?
In many cases, yes. Some people know everything about investing but lack patience. Others know less but stay disciplined for years. The patient person often wins.
Do people also get emotional when investments go up?
Excellent question. They do. And that can be just as dangerous.
How?
When people see others making money quickly, they become excited. They hear stories about someone doubling their money. Then they rush in without understanding what they're buying.
They stop asking questions. They stop researching. They simply follow the crowd.
But that's not the best way, right, Bubba? Is it like when everyone wants the same toy because it is popular?
Exactly. Popularity doesn't always mean something is valuable.
Successful investors learn to avoid two powerful emotions:
What are the two powerful emotions?
One is fear, and the other is greed. Fear tells people to quit. Greed tells people to take unnecessary risks.
Do successful investors never get scared?
Oh, they do. Successful investors feel the same emotions everyone else feels. The difference is that they do not allow those emotions to make their decisions. It is. And that is why investing is as much about behavior as it is about money.
Many people think the secret to wealth is finding the perfect investment.
That could be hard.
But often the bigger challenge is learning patience, self-control, and discipline.
So, becoming wealthy is not just about money.
Exactly. It is also about habits. In a way, it is. Because the people who learn to manage their emotions often make better decisions, not only with money, but with life. The greatest enemy of an investor is rarely the market. It is often fear, impatience, and emotional decision-making. And the greatest advantage an investor can have is not intelligence. It is discipline. What we are about to discuss next is the reason some ordinary people become millionaires.
This sounds important.
It might be the most important money lesson you'll ever learn.
What is it?
Compound growth.
That sounds complicated.
It is actually simple. Imagine your money earns money. Then that new money starts earning money too.
Let us use apple trees. You plant one seed, it grows an apple tree and bears apple seeds. You plant those apple seeds to grow new and even more apple trees. Eventually, you become an apple farmer.
So, the growth starts growing.
Precisely. And here is the amazing part. The longer you wait, the faster it grows.
Why doesn't everyone know this?
Because compound growth is slow at first. And most people quit before the exciting part begins. The first years often look boring. The later years can look unbelievable.
Dad, can I ask something?
Of course.
Have you ever made a bad investment?
Oh, that is a good question.
Absolutely. I have ever made mistakes. I invested without learning enough. I followed trends, and I have ever been impatient.
So, do adults also make mistakes?
All the time. The goal is not to avoid every mistake. The goal is to learn from them.
The best investors are not perfect. They are lifelong learners.
Dad, why do you always tell us to start investing early?
Let us do a thought experiment. Imagine one person starts investing at age 15. Another waits until 35. Who do you think has the advantage?
The 15-year-old.
Exactly. Not because they are smarter. Not because they are richer. But because they gave their money more time to grow.
Time is one thing nobody can buy. Once it is gone forever.
So are young people richer over time?
That is one of the smartest things said at this table.
If investing works so well, why do schools not spend more time teaching it?
That is a question many adults ask too. Schools teach many valuable subjects, but families can help fill financial knowledge gaps.
Can someone become wealthy without investing?
Yes, but investing has helped millions of people build wealth over long periods.
What if someone only saves money?
Saving protects.
Do you save money, Dad?
Yes, I save money, and I also invest some of it. While saving protects money, investing helps money to grow. Both are important.
Okay, meaning saving and investing are not the same thing, right?
Yes, they are not. That is a lesson many adults learn far too late. This is for my viewers. Choose one company your family uses regularly, then discuss why do people buy from this company? What problem does it solve? What makes it successful? What could make it fail? Do you think it will still exist in 10 years?
Remember, great investors learn to think like owners, not just customers. If your child were sitting at this dinner table, what question would they ask about money?
Good question.
If this video has helped you, subscribe and join us for the next dinner table conversation, where families learn the financial lessons that can change generations.